Communication competence is one of the most important and helpful aspects of human communication that enables individuals to initiate or conduct proper communication and gain their communicative goals properly and completely. When we talk about communication competence, we have to note that communication competence is a set of practical information, knowledge, skills, and abilities that enable individuals to interact with different people in different aspects of human communication, like intrapersonal, interpersonal, intercultural, and professional communication. When we gain some information, some new knowledge about communication, and also gain some skills and abilities without using them in real life and practical life, we may face some challenges when try to use such information, knowledge, and abilities in our daily life or our daily interaction with different people. But through daily practices and through using such information and abilities and skills in real life, we transform and change information, knowledge, abilities, and skills into competence. When we become competent, it means that we are able to use such information, knowledge, skills, and abilities properly without any hesitation. That's why it's very important for all individuals to improve the levels of their communication competence, to be competent, to interact in different areas with different people properly and effectively. Actually, communication competence has different aspects. The first aspect of human communication and communication competence is intrapersonal communication and interpersonal communication competence. When we talk about interpersonal communication, it means that the individuals communicate with themselves. The external aspect and structure of the human body interacts with internal aspect of human body and different organs and mechanisms that involve in message producing and the information processing interact with one another, with each other, like heart, mind, autonomic nervous system, and other aspects of our structures of our life. That's mean when we use different aspects of our body and different structures of our internal body properly to produce messages, we are competent interpersonally. And interpersonal communication is the process of interactions between individuals, at least two people, directly or indirectly. And interpersonal communication competence indicates the abilities, information, skills, and information that enable individuals to interact or have communication with other individuals face to face or through the use of some mediums like social media, telephone, or anything that enable individuals to interact with one another or each other. And when we talk about intercultural communication means the process of interactions between or among people who belong to different cultures and use different cultural norms and behaviors when interacting with one another or each other. And intercultural communication competencies indicate the abilities, skills, information that enable and help individuals to have proper interactions when interacting with one another or each other. And professional communication is the process of interactions between or among professionals and educated people who work on different projects in different professions and they use some particular professional language, jargons, and professional terms and words when interacting with another. And professional communication competence indicate the skills and abilities that enable individuals, and especially professions, to interact properly when they work together, have some collaborations to do their duties or work on some projects. And it means that communication is one of the most important aspects of human life, and people and human beings use communication, different aspects of communication in different aspects of their life especially personal, interpersonal, social, and professional lives. And when they interact properly, they can gain their aims and goals properly and completely. They can interact properly when they increase the level of their communication competence, and they can increase when they gain some new information, knowledge, skills, and abilities, and transform such knowledge, information, combine to this such information, knowledge, and skills together, and transform them into competence. And the communication competence is important, and all individuals need to gain the required information, knowledge, skills, and abilities, and try to use such information, knowledge, and skills in their real life, and transform such knowledge, information, skills, and abilities into communication competence, to be competent and be able to initiate, continue, and finalize interactions with different people in different contexts and environments.